We make the strings
louder.
Alright guys, so I've decided I'm keeping this MR2. Kyle's not getting it back. It turned out too good. It sat in the booth all night and Brandon rolled it out. It's been sitting outside this morning and we just got here a little bit ago. Set the video live, but man, look at this.
Straight out the gun.
That's just, yeah, straight out of the gun.
Crazy.
I mean, look at that. Like, holy crap. We still have a little bit of work to do as far as painting all of the other pieces and everything, but man, just look at this. Like the bodywork, super flat. I don't know how well you can see me in that, but yeah, looks just amazing. It's really crazy. I mean, they look just like a piece of candy. Like I want to eat it, whatever it is, I want to eat it. I don't know what flavor that is, but man, that looks so good. So we need to go prep the rest of the stuff to get painted, but I wasn't going to show you guys this yet, but man, I just came over here and looked at it a minute ago and I'm just super impressed by it. Should I just start out today's video? All right guys, so today we are here. We have to finish sanding and prepping all of this stuff over here to take it over to the paint booth and finish painting all of the other pieces. So we got the car painted yesterday. If you guys haven't checked out that video, check out that video, but we have to paint all this stuff so that way we could put it on the car, and there's a lot of things, but the nice thing is we don't have to actually mask it off. We can literally just throw it in the booth and kind of hang it up and then just, so that's the goal. We're gonna get that stuff painted tonight or today, and let's put it back together tomorrow. It's gonna be nice. All right boys, so I'm standing behind the post. I am behind the post and you can't see me. You can see my arms. But you can't see me. Baby Carson, would you like to buy some pots and pans? Okay, so today we're selling a 13-piece set, but our show special is if you buy this 13-piece set today and you finance it, $39.99 for 4 months, okay, it comes with a 16-piece stainless steel knife set. So, and with that knife set, alright guys, so we are in the booth and we got everything wet sanded, guide coated, cleaned, masked. Well, I guess not really anything had to really be masked, but tons and tons of pieces. I feel like we're actually getting ready to paint a whole car again with how much stuff is actually in here. We have all the black trim that's normally black on the side of, I think, the non-turbo models, I'm not sure, but we're painting all that stuff red. The mirrors, the door handles, everything, all this stuff just has to get painted, so it's just crazy. And I feel like I'm going to be in the booth a little bit longer than I thought. And one of the things that I always do is I severely underestimate how much time it's going to take to prep for paint. Like I told Ty earlier, I was like, oh, it's going to be like 6 p.m. We'll be done. And here it is, 1 in the morning. We're just getting started. So I don't know. We're going to throw some paint together and get this thing sprayed. So just got done clearing all of the pieces. So it's just crazy like how many pieces are actually to this car. And it's almost like a Ferrari or something like that, where it just has like little wing lendlets, and then the bottom wing, and then the top wing, and then these guys and those guys, and then it has the rear trunk thing, and then it's got the bumpers, and I mean there's just so many pieces to this thing. It's just crazy. So it just took a long time to actually kind of get through the whole process and do that. Everything turned out really good. You can see these guys right there. Those look really pretty. I mean, everything laid out pretty good. I don't think I got any runs. I'm pretty proud of that because I had to kind of hold myself back. That's one of the things that I actually do when I'm painting stuff. I have like a little bit of clear coat left, and if you guys paint, you know you just see money just sitting at the bottom of your paint gun, and so you don't want to waste it. So you just kind of want to put a little bit more on. So I held back and I didn't do it. I did a little bit on the flat pieces. I did like the headlight things and then the little trunk or the engine cover. But yeah, these are the little side things. These are black, originally black, and we paint matched those. And I almost forgot about those. Basically last minute we were able to just pull them in the booth. But yeah, everything turned out super nice. I'm really stoked on actually how it all turned out. It seemed like it came out really, really clean, just like the car. So I'm really happy about that. No runs, no major dirt or anything. Let this stuff sit up overnight, and then tomorrow we might end up putting some of it on the car. It is pretty late. Ty, what time did you say?
3:45 a.m.
Well, it's 3:45 now. Ty said we'd be done at 3.
I said 2 originally, I think.
2 or midnight or...
2 hours, yes.
We were originally supposed to be done at 6 p.m. in the afternoon, and here it is. It's like almost 4 in the damn morning. But I mean, that's just how it goes with paint. Like it just always takes longer than you expect. And just stupid stuff. Like you wouldn't think you'd be painting that long, but you're just painting for a long time. Like I've been painting since when? 11?
Probably it's safely 11 when you first started spraying.
No, maybe it was midnight. I think it was midnight when we started painting. But we'll be back tomorrow. We're gonna look at this stuff in the sunlight, and I gotta get here a little bit earlier and help him move the stuff out of the booth because he has some stuff he has to paint tomorrow too. So we'll get it figured out. right, guys, so this is as far as we got tonight. I got the front bumper. Obviously, the hood was still on there. The headlight covers, fenders. We got all the little side trim that I paint matched. Door handles, all this little side trim. Got these on, these guys. T-tops, the whole back, the whole rear end setup. So the tail lights, the rear bumper, basically everything. I mean, it's crazy like how many pieces this thing has on it. And you guys seen there, and Ty counted, there's like over 30 pieces in the paint booth. Yeah, crazy. We are waiting on the windshield, so the windshield guy will be here tomorrow morning, and we'll go ahead and show you guys that. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. It took us, I don't know, this was probably about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, doing all this type of stuff, not counting buffing the hood. So I did go ahead and buff the hood. There was a little bit of dirt in it, and I just decided to go crazy on it. And now it just looks super, like it just looks insane. Yeah, the whole car looks really good. Everything else was really flat and didn't have as much dirt in it. I just figured, you know, kind of make it all match. But yeah, looks really good. Also have to glue in the quarter windows. We'll do that tomorrow as well. Yeah, I got the door handle fixed. So the door handle actually works now. Continue tomorrow. All right, guys, so the windshield guys just came a little bit ago and reinstalled the windshield. I painted this cowl with some nice satin black, threw the cowl back on it, and kind of wiped off all the dusty fingerprints and stuff from working on this thing. But yeah, I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. I think Kyle's gonna be super stoked. I just sent him a couple pictures a few minutes ago, and he's really excited about it. Unfortunately, we did not have time to get it to him today. Today is basically Wednesday, and we are on our way to Texas. So as you guys know, I go to the Formula Drift events for Adam LZ. I help him on his Pro 2 team, basically in the pits and kind of helping out with his videos and stuff. And then actually on Sunday, so basically Thursday and Friday, I'm gonna be helping Adam. Saturday is the Pro event, and then on Sunday, it's actually the Lone Star Drift Pro-Am event. So I'm actually getting ready to mess with the drift car real quick. I just need to throw a different hot side on for the turbo. So as you guys seen in some of my previous videos, I did put a Garrett GTX 3076 on this thing, and it just lights the turbo like nothing, like full boost by 3,000 RPMs, absolutely screaming. But it does have a smaller exhaust side on it. It has a 63 AR exhaust housing on it, and I have an 82 that I'm gonna put on there. So what I did notice, this car gets just a little bit hotter than it used to when I had the 3582 with the 82 AR exhaust side. So we might sacrifice like 100 or 200 RPM of spool just to be able to kind of have a little bit more top end and kind of not, so we're bottlenecking all them exhaust gases in here, because this is a big engine for a 63 AR, and it is really cool having that super crazy spool, because it just feels like a V8, but I do feel like it is kind of contributing to a couple heat issues. But yeah, gonna throw that on here. I already mounted tires and everything like last week, so all the tires are mounted. Give this thing a quick wash, and then basically just start headed down to Texas. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and plenty of more content coming soon. If you guys are over here from the Boostedboiz, I do have you know, Turbo Honda stuff that they are working on as well, so I'm sure you guys have seen that in their videos. And if you guys haven't checked out their videos, he basically did the full roll cage in my Civic in exchange for this paint job. So we will have an unveil video kind of showing his reaction and actually taking it up to him next week when we get back. But until then, guys, that's gonna be it, and we are on our way to Texas. So see you guys later.